Is your engine light on with the P0456 code? This code means evaporative emission system small leak detected. It will be set when there's a small leak in the Evap system. So what's the Evap system? Well, its purpose is to store fuel vapors created in the fuel tank and transfer them into the combustion chamber through the intake manifold where they get burned off in the process. Now let's go over the potential components in the Evap system that can trigger the P0456 code. The first common cause of the P0456 code is a faulty fuel cap. The fuel cap could be damaged or have a tear in the gasket. If that happens, there won't be a proper seal anymore. Now the fuel vapors have a way to escape, leading to a leak in the Evap system. Also, always make sure you hear at least 3 clicks when closing the gas cap. If you don't close it properly, this can trigger the P0456 code as well. The second cause for the P0456 code is a faulty fuel tank filler neck. This one is often overlooked. It could have tiny cracks or poor sealing, causing fuel vapors to escape and cause a leak in the system. The third cause of the P0456 code is bad evap hoses. Any of the hoses could have small cracks or damage that's not noticeable right away. However, fuel vapors can still escape through these tiny holes, causing a leak in the system. The next cause is a bad purge valve. It can cause a P0456 code when it doesn't fully close. During the evap testing, the system is supposed to be completely sealed so the computer can check for leaks. If the purge valve leaks slightly, fuel vapors slowly escape into the engine instead of staying trapped in the evap system. The computer sees this pressure loss and interprets it as a very small evap leak, which sets the P0456 code. The fifth cause for the P0456 code is a bad charcoal canister. If it has small cracks or worn seals, fuel vapors can slowly leak out. The canister is supposed to store fuel vapors in a sealed container when the evap system's closed. If there's a leak, the system can't hold pressure during its self-test. The next cause is the evap canister vent valve. This component is supposed to be open during normal operation and closed when the ECM tests for leaks. If dirt, dust, or internal wear keep the valve slightly open during testing, the ECM could interpret this as a small leak and trigger the P0456 code. The seventh possible cause for the P0456 code is a bad fuel tank pressure sensor. The purpose of the sensor is to monitor the pressure in the fuel tank and send this information to the ECM. If the fuel tank pressure sensor is faulty, it can send false readings of the pressure to the ECM, making it believe there's a small leak in the system. The car's computer will then turn on the check engine light and set the P0456 code. Now the last component that can trigger the code is a bad engine control module. However, this should always be your last option. I recommend testing all the other parts first before blaming the ECM for the P0456 code.